Variations is here. In this video, we'll be talking about on how to cite a journal article using APA 7th edition. So why do we need to cite at all in the first place? Technically, we want to show credibility or reliability of our essay or output. And of course, we want to give credit to whoever credit is due and to prevent plagiarism. It is when one presents or claims someone else's work or ideas as his own without properly acknowledging the rightful owner. It could either be intentional or unintentional, and it is considered one of the serious crimes in the academy. Now, let's take a look at the basic parts of a complete reference using an APA 7th edition. The first part is the author or author's name. It is written in invert manner, wherein the last name or family names comes first, followed by a comma and initials. Initials of the author's given name and middle name. If there are two or more authors, use ampersand. Include all the authors. The next part is the year of publication. Only the year when the article was published. Enclose in a parenthesis and with period. After that is the title of the article. Capitalize the first letter of the first word. If the article has two-part title, capitalize the second part. Also, proper nouns such as the names of a person if it is included in the title, a place, a country, or a genus should be capitalized. Do not italicize and make sure to end it with period. Next is the name of the periodical or where the paper was published. In this part, all major words should be capitalized. Follow with a comma and italicize. Next is the volume number. Italicize this and do not put a space between the volume number and the parentheses around the issue number. The issue number should be parenthesized. Do not italicize the issue number as well as the parentheses and follow this with a comma. In some cases, the article or database does not show an issue number. It is okay, just leave that number element out of the reference. For the pages, include the article page range. Use an end dash line. End dash is wider than the hyphen and narrower than the em dash. And no space around the end dash. End with a period and do not italicize the page number. Finally is the link for the DOI or Digital Object Identifier. It is a unique alphanumeric link to provide location of the article on the internet. If the paper has one, please include it and no period after it. Here is an example of a journal article. As you can see, this is the author's name, the year of publication, the title of the article, name of the periodical, volume number, issue number, as well as the page number or page range, and finally the link for the DOI. So if we will organize it into APA format, it would look like this. Alright, so just follow the format. let's talk about in-text citation. In-text citation is a brief form of the reference that you include in the body of your work. It is usually written as surname or the family name of the author's the year of publication. And this is an example of an in-text citation, the one that is enclosed with a red line box. So basically, we have two types of citation: the parenthetical citation and the narrative citation. A parenthetical citation is author date within parentheses. It is often termed as information prominent citation because the information is given priority over the author with a citation at the end of the sentence. For example, okay, so this one is an example of parenthetical citation wherein the in-text citation can be seen in the or at the end of the sentence. Next is what we call the narrative citation, and this is often termed as author prominent citation because the author is given more emphasis. So this one is an example. So it looks like the author is given really more emphasis in the text. Okay, now let's talk about the rule on the number of authors. If you have one author in a parenthetical citation, write the author's family name, comma, and year of publication. As for a narrative citation, the year of the publication is only enclosed in a parenthesis. Now, if you have two authors, add ampersand, comma, then the year within the parenthesis. For narrative citation, add and only the year of publication is enclosed in a parenthesis. If there are three or more authors, the main author or corresponding authors should be written. In a parenthetical citation, add et al., which literally means in others, period, and comma, then the year. For the narrative, add et al., of course, and the year is parenthesized. Only the year is parenthesized. If the author is a company, government organization, or other group, use the full name in your citation. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.